Panel of judges here. Ganda First, as part of this spectacular event, we are privileged to have a panel of skilled judges who will help us determine our next title holder. Allow me to introduce them to you. Let's start first. Highly graduated public school teacher at Ismael Matay Senior High School with a bachelor degree in secondary education from the Philippine Normal University and a master's degree in curriculum and instructions from Far Eastern University. He currently serves as a master teacher too, specializing in maritime and English subjects. He also holds this distinct position of total person in the maritime program within the school division of Quezon City. Recognized for his outstanding contributions, he received the Most Outstanding Youth Master Teacher Award during the CD4 Program Award. Medyo bigatin, no? And received for Service Excellent in 2021. And consistent outstanding master teacher in senior high school department. A lifelong learner, he pursued the foreign language program, Mandarin and English, China Normal University in Shanghai, China. Sponsored by the Department of Education way back 2013. He has diverse experiences, having worked as a travel agent in China and served as a yacht crew supervisor in Abu Dhabi. His passion for exploration has taken him to over 76 provinces within the Philippines, showcasing his deep appreciation for the diverse culture and landscapes. He epitomizes dedication, excellence, and relentless pursuit of knowledge, making significant contributions to education and fostering cultural understanding throughout his career. Let's all welcome Mr. Augustus Cesar Ara. Let's give him a round of applause. Alright. So let's proceed with our second panel of judges. Ayan, sa ating ikalawa po nating hurado, isang dating mag-aaral na Ismael Matay Senior High School. So former student siya, tinaguriang managing editor ng paparal ng publikasyon ng IMSHS sa Journalismo Filipino, sa Ligan. Kinilalang may pinakmataas na karangalan with the highest distinction. Leadership Awardee ni Congressman Maribel Copilar sa katatapos ng SHS taong 2022 sa IMSHS. Nag-uwi ng kampyonato sa IMSHS Division Level Competition ng essay writing at paggawa ng short film taong 2021 at 2022. Kasalukuyan ang nasa ikatlong taon sa kolehiyo at nag-aaral sa PUP, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Isang eskolar ng bayan sa kursong Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting at kasalukuyang may pinakamataas na karangalan, which is President Lister. Alright. Itirangal na elite model first placer sa United Nations ng IMSHS taong 2018. Siya ay tinanghal na Miss Ismael Matay taong 2022. Ngayong taon, 2024, siya naman ang kinilala sa katatapos lamang na patimpala sa ating barangay, ang nakambini ng barangay sa Handaan. Palakpakan po natin si Binibining Risa Cuadra. Okay. Now, alright. Joining us next is a former Araling Panlipunan Teacher 2 at Ismael Matay Senior High School, former coordinator and trainer of Mr. and Miss United Nations 2020 and 2022, a runway fashion model, Sante Fashion Icon of the Year, Sante Opulence Queen of the Night, Sante Beauty Ambassador, and Sante International Business Owner. A big round of applause for Miss Melody Molina. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you sa mag-sponsor ng program natin. Appreciate your generosity. Thank you. Now, for our fourth judges, a former a former SSG president of Ismael Matay Senior High School, one of the owner of J-Wash and JD's Collection, and an account analyst at Alorca Econ Centers. Let's hear it for Mr. J.D. De La Cruz. Thank you, Mr. J.D. Na-response ng ating program. Later, mabibigay ng company ni Sir J.D. ng name check for our grant. Now, for our pick judge, ito na po. Ang ating kalimang judge ay, gising pa po ba lahat? Gising pa po ba lahat? Wala akong narinig. Gising pa po ba lahat? Ayan, tuloy natin. Ang ating ikalimang judge ay ang kasalukuyang sangguniang kabataan chairperson ng barangay Sangalan. Siya rin ang inihalal ng halihim o sekretary ng SK Federation ng District 6, Quezon City. Siya rin ay voice-over artist ng mga pelikula at dokumentaryong ipinalabas sa iba't ibang national competitions. Kagaya na lamang ng Docubata Documentary Competition, sponsored by GMA Network, na kung saan ay nakipag-uwi siya kasama kanyang grupo ng kampyonato sa 2 magkasunod na taon. At mga pelikulang nilabas sa Film Development Council of the Philippines, Adamson University SIP, Lentec, Par East University SINEPU, at iba pa documentary and film competition. Siya rin ay former DJ sa official radio station ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines na DCMC, YCG, at former courtside reporter sa MBBL Bida Barangay Liga 2024. Nitong Oktubre lamang ay gumraduate siya sa kursong Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila. Bilang magna cum laude. Palakpakan po natin si Honorable Krisa Camarines. Krisa, thank you. Alright. So, next one. Nagkape kayo, ha? Okay. Next. Let's also acknowledge the present and will serve as our head judge here for this event. Our very supportive, dedicated, and loving school head, Sir Ferdinand A. Portillo. Palapang po natin ating school principal. Sir, kaya po tayo, sir, para ma-recognize natin ang estudyante. So, hindi naman maging successful. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan ang head ng Araling Panlipunan, Ma'am Miss Alona A. Millares. Para ma-recognize. Thank you po, ma'am. Syempre, napaka-supportive ng aming AP head sa mga teachers, mga AP teachers na magiging successful po at yours. And finally, eto na last na, sige na, lalabas na yung mga nagaganda natin mag-testa. Sige, pipilin nyo yan. Alright. Our tabulator for tonight is a Master Teacher 2 in STEM, Senior High School Department, and currently ABM Coordinator at Ismael Matay Senior High School. A dedicated and hard-working public school teacher, Mr. Federico and December. Thank you. Okay, thank you to our esteemed judges for being here tonight and for your dedication to nurturing the next generation of empowered women. Your expertise will help us recognize the talents and beauty of our contestants as they take the stage. Thank you, and may we enjoy this momentous event. God bless us all. Thank
17 from the prestigious and pristine